Alright, this is Dave, HVAC guy, Lima, Ohio. What you're looking at here is a forced air furnace, gas forced air furnace. And I believe this one here is a, let's see here, I'm looking at the nameplate over here. It's an Armstrong, Concord Armstrong, products of Linux, I think. Anyway, when this thing fires up, it sings a song really loud, and this motor barely turns to get going. So I got a service call saying this thing's making a lot of noise, and it was just ringing really loud. So this is the inducer motor, and so when you pull the furnace apart, you'll have to, if you do have a loud noise in your inducer motor, you have to replace it. So pull the screws out around the sheath there, and now I'm going to pull that out of there, and I bought a new one, which is here. And I'm going to reinstall that, and then this thing will sound good again. So this one's horizontally installed, and you can see where it's at. You have to crawl through this cellar down in here. Some jobs are, you have to crawl in places or go in attics. But anyway, part of the technician's job is to deal with where the furnace is. Usually they're in a closet in the house. But this one here, not so nice. Anyway, just wanted you guys to see what an inducer motor is and what you have to go through to get it in and out. You need some tools. You got to have lots of tools, extensions, ratchets, get all the screws out. A lot of times we're changing boards out. Like this in here, circuit boards go out. Gas valves, they burn up. Pressure switches usually aren't a problem. Usually it's the drain line that's clogged up. Not enough maintenance done on the unit. This one did have a lot of rust. When I pulled this chamber out, see all the rust down there. Tells me that the heat exchanger is not draining fast enough, or they got a lot of condensate. So furnaces don't last a long time when they're rusting out like that. So anyway, that's it. Dave, HVAC guy, at your service. Need me? Call 419-937-6964.